How to pay with gift card on Shein App. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through how we can pay with gift card on Shein App. So if you're wondering how you can do it, it's super easy. Head over and open up the Shein App on your device. After that, you just need to have some items added to your cart. So if you already have some items added to your cart, you can find this cart option, the checkout option at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and click on it. After you successfully clicked on it, you will be finding all of the items listed here in your cart. So you're going to select the item where you want to put the gift card to. For example, this one right here. So when you reach to the order confirmation page, you're going to go ahead and look out for the option called gift card. You can find it when you scroll down a bit under the section of apply coupons, and you can find this gift card option. So you're going to go ahead and tap on this gift card option. After that, you just need to enter your card number and the PIN of your account and just go on with the process of checking out, and your gift card will be applied on the particular item that you're trying to purchase from the Shein app. So that is how you pay with gift card on the Shein app very easily. So follow up those methods and it is very easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.